Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
Hi there! It's time for Easy Japanese from NHK World Japan. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. We'll have fun learning Japanese together.
Today we bring you Lesson 3 on how to say where you're from.
In our last skit, our main character, Tam, who is a student from Vietnam, arrived at Haru-san house, where she'll be staying while in Japan. She met the landlady, Haru-san, who is a robot. Today, they are holding a welcome party in Tam's honor. The table is filled with delicious dishes that Kaito, another resident, has prepared. Kaito loves to cook.
Now let's listen to the skit for Lesson 3.
Tam さん、たくさん食べてね。
はい。タムです。ベトナムから来ました。ミーヤです。中国からです。写真家です。
僕はカイト、学生です。
私、大家の春です。春さんは何でも知っています。そうですか。よろしくお願いします。
Let's review the skit line by line.
Kaito invites Tam to start eating.
タムさん、たくさん食べてね。
Enjoy the meal, Tam-san.
Tam replies,
はい。
Thanks, I will.
Next, Tam introduces herself.
タムです。
I'm Tam.
ベトナムから来ました。
I'm from Vietnam.
The other residents introduce themselves as well.
ミーヤです。
I'm Mia.
中国からです。
I'm from China.
写真家です。
I'm a photographer.
Then, Kaito.
僕はカイト、
I'm Kaito.
学生です。
I'm a student.
Haru-san, the robot, introduces herself too.
私、大家の春です。
I'm the landlady, Haru.
Mia says,
春さんは何でも知っています。
Haru-san knows everything.
Tam says,
そうですか。
Oh, really?
よろしくお願いします。
Nice to meet you.
the residents of Haru-san house are quite a collection. Mia, a photographer from China, Kaito, a Japanese student who is good at cooking, Haru-san, the robot landlady.
Today's key phrase is, I'm from Vietnam.
ベトナムから来ました。
If you learn this pattern, you'll be able to tell people where you're from.
In Japan, you're likely to be asked about your home country quite often.
Here's today's point. When you want to say where you're from, add
から来ました。
came from after the name of a country, region, or city.
から
From is a particle that comes after a noun indicating the starting point or place of origin.
来ました。
Came is the past tense of the verb
来る
to come. Try to memorize the phrase
から来ました。
as a set. Tam is from Vietnam, so it's
ベトナムから来ました。
Didn't Mia use a different expression?
In Mia's case, after
中国
China, she added
からです。
and said,
中国からです。
or I'm from China. Instead of saying
から来ました。
you can also say
からです。
Listen again and repeat out loud.
ベトナムから来ました。中国からです。
How did you do?
Next, listen to a conversation about where someone is from.
どちらからですか？
アメリカから来ました。
Now let's go over it.
どちらからですか？
Where are you from?
It's an expression asking where the person you're talking to is from. どちら is an interrogative which means where.
アメリカから来ました。
I'm from America.
America is pronounced as アメリカ.
Now your turn. Listen and repeat.
アメリカから来ました。アメリカから来ました。
How did you do?
Practice saying where you're from. Imagine you're from Thailand. What would be the right way to say it? Thailand is
タイ、タイ、
Now give it a try.
タイから来ました。タイから来ました。
Now, I'm from the UK, so in my case, I would say, イギリスから来ました。
Perfect. Now, you try it. Answer the following question using the name of the place that you're from. Go ahead.
どちらからですか？
From now on, I'm sure you'll be able to tell people where you're from.
Today's bonus phrase is this line by Tam. Try to remember it.
そうですか。
そうですか is an expression that acknowledges that you understand what the person you're talking to has said. It means, oh really, or I see. This expression is often used when someone has explained something. There is ka at the end of the sentence, but it's not really a question, so be sure not to raise your intonation at the end of the sentence.
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
そうですか。
Okay, here's today's skit one more time.
タムさん、たくさん食べてね。
はい。タムです。ベトナムから来ました。ミーヤです。中国からです。写真家です。
僕はカイト、学生です。
私、大家の春です。春さんは何でも知っています。そうですか。よろしくお願いします。春さんの知恵袋。
Now it's time for Haru-san's bag full of advice, when we introduce Japanese culture and manners. Today's theme is how to greet people in Japan.
Bowing is customary in Japan when exchanging greetings. We also usually bow when we introduce ourselves.
Is the bow always the same?
No, your relationship with the other person determines how deeply you bow. If he or she is older or ranks higher than you in some way, the bow is deep. If the person is your peer or younger than you are, just a nod may be enough.
Okay, so you don't shake hands or hug.
A handshake sometimes is used in business situations, but it's not so common. And as for a hug, hardly ever in any situation. If you were to hug someone you just met, it would come as quite a surprise. So, did you enjoy today's Easy Japanese? You can access our website at www.nhk.or.jp/lesson/en.
Tune in again next time.